Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a torque wrench. First, unplug the vacuum cleaner from the wall socket to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the button located at the top. This will expose the motor housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor cover off. Here, you might notice some dust buildup. It's a good idea to clean the internal components with a dry cloth. A clean environment helps with the efficiency of your vacuum. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the motor. You will see 2 additional screws holding the motor in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be cautious while removing the motor as it may still have some residual debris. After the screws are out, carefully pull the motor out of the housing. Before installing the new motor, compare it with the old one to ensure compatibility. If you don't have the tools needed for this process, don't worry, we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist you. Next, take your new motor and place it into the motor housing. Ensure that it sits securely in place. Then, use the screws to fasten the motor down. Make sure it is tightly secured to avoid any vibrations during operation. Now, it's time to reattach the motor cover. Position it over the motor and align it properly. Insert the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Be mindful not to over-tighten as this could damage the plastic. Once the cover is secure, reattach the dust canister. Make sure it clicks into place to ensure proper sealing. Finally, plug the vacuum cleaner back into the outlet and perform a test run to ensure everything is working smoothly. If at any point you need assistance or prefer not to tackle this on your own, remember we offer no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before repair. This ensures you know exactly what to expect in terms of service and cost. With these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC29 vacuum cleaner. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.